Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been looking for an anti-aging lotion, you might like this one by Beverly Hills MD. This is called Lift Firm Sculpting Cream. I appreciate this for the way that it smells. It does smell clean, and I love the way that it feels on my skin. Some of my favorite things about this are the ingredients. It's listed as having aloe vera, vitamin E, and even the most popular thing that's trending, flaxseed derivatives. And for me, those are just some of those fun, unique details knowing about my face cream. I also love the shimmer that it leaves, and I also appreciate how it does go down deep into my skin, penetrates deeply, and gives me that buoyancy that I'm looking for. I'm always looking for something to help with my complexion, and I do have uneven skin tone. So at my age, there's a few things that I'm battling. So that's why I appreciate this skin anti-aging lotion so much.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.